joy.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our science learning session. In this video, we are going to learn about something we cannot see, but it is always around us. Can you see air? No. Can you feel air? Yes, when the wind blows. Air is invisible, but it is powerful. What is air? Air is a mixture of gases. It is all around us. Even though we cannot see it, air is real. Now, I will tell you something surprising. Air takes up space. Air has weight. Air pushes on things. That pushing force is called air pressure. Air takes up space. Let's understand this with an example. Take an empty bottle, put a balloon inside it and try to blow. The balloon does not inflate properly. Why? Because the bottle is not empty. It is filled with air. That air takes up space and does not allow the balloon to expand. So remember, air occupies space. Air has weight. Air may feel light, but it has weight. All the air above us presses down because of its weight. But we do not feel crushed because air presses equally from all directions, top, bottom, left and right. That pressure caused by air is called air pressure. Air pressure means the force exerted by air on objects. Now let's see air pressure in action. Take a glass, water, a thick piece of paper. Fill the glass completely with water. Place the paper on top, hold it firmly and turn the glass upside down. Now, slowly remove your hand. What happens? The paper stays in place. The water does not fall. Why? Because air from below pushes upward on the paper. That upward air pressure is strong enough to hold the water. This proves that air pushes. Where do we see air pressure in real life? Air pressure helps in drinking with a straw, suction cups sticking to walls, weather changes, airplanes flying. Without air pressure, many things around us would not work. In this video, we learn air is invisible, but it takes up space, has weight, pushes on everything. That pushing force is called air pressure. Even invisible things can be powerful. That is the beauty of science. See you again in the next video. Bye-bye.